Ever heard the saying, finish strong? Well, in singing and speaking, it's all about how you start. Hi, I'm Kristen Scott, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about vocal onsets. The term onset was sometimes referred to as attack. However, that term is a little violent and outdated, so I'll use the term onset to mean the start of a vocal sound. Specifically, we're talking today about the onset types in singing. There are three main types of vocal onsets: aspirate, which is breathy and unstable; glottal, which is harsh and a little croaky; and coordinated, which is smooth and supported. Side note is that none of these onsets are necessarily bad, but relying on the first two can lead to vocal strain. So in order for each of these starts to occur, the vocal apparatus has to do specific actions. For the aspirate onset, the first sound is simply air moving through only partially closed folds, like this. Ha, ha, hey. A little breathiness in the tone can be desirable, but too much and you might end up hoarse. For the glottal onset, there's a big buildup of air behind tightly closed vocal folds. When the sound manages to get through the folds, it's often in an explosive way, like this. To be clear, glottal onset is slightly different than vocal fry. Finally, the coordinated onset occurs when there's breath moving smoothly through the vocal folds and both sound and breath happen at the same time. So to recap, I'll demonstrate what each onset sounds like on ah. First aspirate, then glottal, then coordinated. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Remember to give yourself a little grace, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Class dismissed.